can get a Canva Pro account completely free as a teacher. I'm going to show you exactly how to sign up. It's super easy. You're going to start by going just to Google and type in Canva for teachers. Then it's going to bring up this link. I've also linked it down below if you just rather click there, but you can click the link. You are going to get verified. So once you click get verified, there's actually a few different ways that you could go about doing this. So you can use if your school uses a Google account, you can use that. If your school uses Microsoft, you can use that. If you have a Clever account, you can use that. And then I think if you just have like a regular school email account using some other platform, pretty much if you work at a school and you can verify using an email, then you're going to be able to get access to this. You do have to renew your credentials every 3 years, but other than that, this is going to unlock all of the pro features. I highly recommend that you do this because this is going to give you features like if you would prefer working with the templates using PowerPoint, you can export them as PowerPoint. You can remove backgrounds. You can just do so much more using the Canva Pro account than you can just with a regular free account. And then who cannot access Canva for Education, you can see all of the different things here. But even if you just want to sign up for a free account, you can do a free trial of the Canva Pro. So if you'd like to do that, this is going to let you access all of those features too. It's going to look something like this. This is the free trial version. I can show you my pro account in just a moment, but this is the free trial version. I'm going to show you in the following videos how to navigate all this. And once you get verified, then you're all set up with Canva for Education, and then you can start editing your classroom decor like a pro. And be sure to check out the next video. I'm going to show you how to open your templates and start customizing your resources to meet your individual needs.